and protect their destiny. Any of you that know of this young guy called Kwame Eugene, his pictures has been taken to places to bring him down. That young guy should rise up and pray. He shouldn't joke with his destiny, because they are bringing him down little by little. By the time he realizes he will no more be relevant, he should pick his prayer life and begin to pray. They are taking him to places in the realms of the spirit. If he plays with his life, by the close of this year, it will be a bad day for him, and it will be a bad month for him, and it will be a bad year for him. He should rise up and pray for his family as well, because as it happened in the life of the late Ebony, I saw him traveling to his hometown, and his life